Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to remove a search from your search history in TikTok. If you want to clear your search history or remove a specific search result, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device. Ensure that you're logged in to your TikTok account. Step 2. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on the magnifying glass icon. This will take you to the TikTok search page. Step 3. On the search page, you will see your recent search history. Locate the search result that you want to remove. Step 4. Next to the search result, you will notice an X icon. Tap on the X to remove the search result from your search history. Step 5. After tapping on the X, a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap on it to confirm the removal of the search result. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove a search from your search history in TikTok, maintaining your privacy and managing your search preferences. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more personalized TikTok search experience.